Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Uber app. You will click on settings in this page here. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about the application of Uber and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.